guys, John Vapor Hunting Technologies here. Hey, I've had a lot of requests to redesign something in one of our big industrial blasting cabinets for the hobbyist or the small to mid-sized business. So what we've done is we've taken a lot of items off of our industrial machines and really started placing and fitting and seeing what was going to work the best on this cabinet. So we have forklift runner brackets here for you guys that have forklifts that want to move this unit around. It has a windshield wiper on it, which is controlled specifically by the switch on top. Foot pedal control blasting gun, standard industrial blasting gun that we always use. You need about 20 to 25 CFM minimum to run this machine. We have LED lighting inside, as we always do. Standard floor supports. These are 3/8 inch thick floor supports. You can actually move them around, so you can hold a lot of weight in here. Up to 250 to 350 pounds is what we've estimated. That's very safe to put in this cabinet. This is a 110 unit. You can have it in 220 if you want, but 110 unit right now that you see here. You have the GFCI on the side. There's some switches over there, one's for light and one's for your foot pedal activation here. And then this is an open loop system that we have here. So you need a garden hose connection on the back and a place to drain the machine from the back here. You can add the closed loop system to the unit, which is an optional upgrade, which you'll see that later on. For those of you who are budget conscious and you just don't want to spend $13,000, $14,000, we've come out with an affordable option. If you have questions, call the sales team, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. Again, thanks for watching.